Alright, this is F.J. Collins on September 8, 2016. I'm videotaping on Salt Lake Road in Harford County, Maryland. This is the corner of the Casero property. You can see the house off directly there, and I'm going to turn to the left and you can see the McNulty property on the other side of that white fence. Now I'll actually get to the exact corner of the McNulty property by zooming in on the orange marker here. This orange marker is a cotton gin marker placed there by the Casero surveyor. It represents the northwest corner of the Casero property. If you go a few feet forward, you can see that there is another marker. This is a marker placed there by the McNulty surveyor, and it was driven into the road, and it is a railroad spike. That marker is also on the Mason-Dixon line. So all of the orange circled markers here will make a straight line constituting the Mason-Dixon line. And I'll be walking from marker to marker. On the left of me is the McNulty property. On the right is the Casero property. I'll take a turn left here so you can see. And then I'll turn right so you can see the Casero house over here. And I'm walking towards the next orange marker, trying to be as accurate as possible, walking down specifically the Mason-Dixon line as it has been defined by the surveyors, and they appear to agree that this is the actual Mason-Dixon line. So there's another marker. It is a marker placed there by the surveyor for the McNultys, and is a railroad spike. The markers that were placed there by the Casero surveyor are cotton gin spikes, or markers, since they come from actual cotton gins, and they're stainless steel and they have that star shape. So I'm walking towards the next marker, and as you can see, I've now arrived at the next marker. This is one of the cotton gin markers, and we are on the Mason-Dixon line right now. I'll pull back out. I will turn to the right, and I will show you the McNulty property and their current driveway. Excuse me, the Casero property and the driveway. I will turn left, and you will see the McNulty property and its white fence. And I am still standing right on the Mason-Dixon line. I'm walking further up the road so you can see the rest of the Mason-Dixon line. To the right is south, to the left is north, and here is the other orange marker. This is put there, it's a cotton gin marker, so it was put there by the Casero's surveyor. And as you can see, it's about 2/3 of the way across on the north side of, on the north part of the Salt Lake Road. I'm still walking down, and I'm going to be reaching very soon the end of the McNulty property on the left. The Casero property continues on the right for quite a ways, another 100 yards or 150 yards or so by my estimate, but for quite a way. And if I look to the left here, it's my understanding that this is the end of the McNulty property. Going back, I'm going to show the Casero property. But again, the Casero property continues up the road for quite a ways. That is a description of where the Mason-Dixon line is in front of the McNulty property.